All right, guys, we got a beautifully waxed, extra shine. He's a detailer. That's why I'm saying that. 2013 Cadillac. I ruined it. 2013 Acura. 2013 Acura TL. I can't talk today. V6, really shining nice car. Still got all the factory converters up there. Then we put a high flow third cat right there in place of the regular third cat. Then we did a Resonator delete. And then our good friends at Evil Energy sent us a Resonator. Here it is, let me see that. There's the Evil Energy sign right there. Here's the part number, guys, right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. But here's the Resonator right there. Another baby Resonator comes right here. We took it out and added this Evil Energy Resonator to deepen the tone, give it a nice classy tone right there. Then we did a rear muffler delete on each side and finished it off nicely with quad tips out the back. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see right there. There's that baby Resonator that was on it in the middle that we took out. All right, and replaced it with that beautiful, sexy Evil Energy stainless steel muffler, polished. Stay tuned. It changed it. Is that better? Are you happy? All right. Evil Energy does not disappoint. Thank you for sending it out. He loves it. Oh yeah, that changed it a lot. Oh, look! Oh, he's happy. We made his day. Yeah, there it is. Now it's done. Now it's ready. You don't need to do anything else. Stop it. Again. Yeah, it's clean. Here's sound decibels. 106. Evil Energy Resonator, high flow cat, and mid and rear delete. Very nice. They also sent us out some mufflers, guys, too. So if you guys need some Evil Energy mufflers, come on down and see us. They sell stainless steel mufflers like these. Anyways, one more. So hit up Evil Energy, guys. There'll be a link in the description for it. This sexy Acura TL Resonator swap. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Acura TL with Evil Energy Resonator, muffler delete, mid delete. So it's only got the Evil Energy on it, and it sounds phenomenal. And the high flow cat. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. That's clean. Evil Energy gives it a nice deep tone. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.